It's been 10 years since the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor was launched.
A decade-long of CPEC has contributed sustainable development and growth in Pakistan. The joint efforts of the two countries have made it possible through untiring hard work and commitment. Let's review this evolution, how a vision of shared prosperity has turned into a reality as economic development engine, friendship bridge, and promotion of clean green environment.
Over the past decade, the CPEC has made tremendous progress. As of 2022, CPEC had brought $25.4 billion in direct investment to Pakistan and created some 236,000 jobs for the country. According to the Chinese embassy to Pakistan, the CPEC has helped Pakistan generate 8,000 megawatts of electricity, add 886 kilometers to the national core transmission grid, and build 510 kilometers of highways.
China has invested on projects which are the economic worth, which are the wealth generation, which are the revenue generating projects.
The Chinese help us so much, especially they have assigned us one Chinese to every Pakistani engineer.
Many people got job like this. We are engineers. We graduated from China and have good opportunity to work here in Chinese.
This commitment by China is truly an all-weather friendship, and it has shown to the people of Pakistan.
At the Crore project, we are demonstrating how CPEC and BRI is not just about infrastructure development, but also about green development and environmental protection.
The CPEC is now entering a new stage of high-quality development, expanding cooperation in science and technology, agriculture, and people's livelihood. The two sides will work together to build corridors for growth, people's livelihood, innovation, green development, and openness so as to make greater contribution to peace and prosperity of the two countries and the region.
This has been a wonderful relationship, a wonderful journey. Let's today resolve to continue with this journey